Yeah. It's being dark.
This is what he likes about the one in Manor Point. The front room, kitchen in the center, and then the back room.
I like this layout.
I
See if I
really
can
like
see it. Can't really see it too well.
So the only thing you need here is a refrigerator and washer and dryer. All the carpeting is new, freshly painted. The closet goes all the way through.
That's cool. This one's not videoing as good.
You have your AC unit here. Linen closet right here.
Cool. I like this
This
one.
is the master. It's interesting that the master is in the back.
Let's see if I can get my...
I'm assuming this is the master because it's bigger.
Yeah. A handy dandy flashlight.
Oh, cool.
Mhm.
I need an iPhone.
I love this thing. That's cool. His and hers closet.
Yeah.
It's got a pretty view out that window
Yeah.
too. See if I could get it better like this. Well, let me get my papers. Closet. I like this place. Get it with my phone now. This is very nice.
And they even put the pan in for the washing machine.
Oh, I really like this.
Yeah, I knew you would. When I came in earlier, I was like, this is it.
What's in here? A bathroom?
Bathroom, yeah.
Wow, this one's gorgeous. I like this one a lot.